Watch as this wren takes a bath in my newly revamped bird bath, which sits on top of a 500-litre fish tank and also sits inside a dog crate with hanging bird feeders in to keep the little birds safe and the big birds out. Hope you like what you see, and if you do, follow for more content, and just enjoy the special moments. This clearly is one of them. The wren is very fast, very hard to capture in your garden, but he's given us a minute of his time. He's up on the perch, he's wet, he's loving it. Thanks for watching.